In the given question, they have mentioned 10 refrigerators and 4 mobile phones is equal to 2,10,000. And second equation, they have given 6 refrigerators and 2 mobile phones is equal to 1,22,000. So here, if we need to match this equal, so we multiply it by 2 in second equation. So we need to write the first equation: 10 refrigerators, 4 mobile phones is equal to 2,10,000. And 12 refrigerators, 4 mobile phones is equal to 2,44,000. If we solve this, cancel. So 2 refrigerators is equal to, so 2,44,000 minus 2,44,000 minus, so it will be around 34,000. In this 34,000, if you divide by 2, so if you add one refrigerator is 17,000. But they are asked in the question to find the variable cost price of one refrigerator and 2 mobile phones. So if we substitute the 17,000 in first equation, 17,000, it will be around 1,70,000. 70,000 and 4 mobile phones is equal to 2,10,000. 2,10,000. So 2,10,000 minus 1,70,000, that is 4 mobile phones is equal to 40 mobile. They've asked to find 2 mobile phones, so divided by 2 on the outside, so 20,000. And this 20,000, they've asked 2 mobile phones and 1 refrigerator, so 20,000 plus 17,000, that is 37,000.